Hey guys, thanks for choosing Van Diesel for your next road venture. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the van. Follow me. Van Diesel is equipped with a 2-burner stove and sink right here. And your basic cooking gear up here. Coffee press included. As well as utensils, hand soap, and some toilet paper we store up here. In order to use the 2-burner stove, you're going to want to first turn on the propane, which is located below the stove. To turn on the propane, twist the knob to the left, and you'll see the arrow point to the green side, which means that you are full of gas and good to go. Once it's twisted to the left, you move back up to the 2-burner stove. Twist and hold to the left while pressing the pilot light. This will light the burner, and then you can do the same if you want to light the other burner, like so. When done with the stove, always remember to turn off the propane tank. You can do this by twisting the opposite direction, twist it to the right. And now you're safe. Now to operate the sink, you're going to want to access the 5-gallon tank in your foot pump, which is below the sink here. Here's your 5-gallon clean water. Here's your foot pump. So you put the foot pump right here. You put the foot on top and you start pressing. As you press, water will start to slowly come out and you can wash your hands like so. Once you've used all the clean water up, you're going to want to empty out your gray water tank. You can do this by opening these doors and accessing it right here. We've got a ratchet strap going around, so you're going to take that off and then untwist here, untwist to the left, like so. And then you can pull it out and empty. So Van Diesel has 4 6-volt batteries, which power the lights, a couple USB ports, and your diesel space heater. So to check on the battery life, you can look at this diagram right here, and you'll see it says 12.9 volts right now, and a smiley face. As long as there's a smiley face, you're good to go. So everything's good here. As you're driving, the batteries will charge. Whenever the sun's out, the batteries will charge. So you should have plenty of power for any adventure. Besides being a comfortable bench seat, this also converts into a bed. You can do this by pushing the back upwards and around, dropping the legs like so, all the way to the ground like this. If you want some extra padding, we have a 3-inch memory foam pad below the bed. And you can access that by pulling from underneath and then using this quick draw to lock it in while you pull out your mattress. And then unclip and release. And we can provide bed sheets and pillows upon request. In addition to the mattress, you're also going to find your space heater below the bench seat. This is controlled by this little control panel here and powered by the diesel tank. You can turn it on by pressing the power button, and you can set your temperature by pressing the arrow directions that you want to set to. So I'm going to set it to 70 degrees right now. And if it's below 70 degrees, this will kick on and start blowing hot air out from this vent right here. So you won't really have to mess with anything in here, just the control panel here, and enjoy the heat here.
And diesel includes a Yeti 45 Tundra. What that means, it's a hard, double insulated cooler that has plenty of space. You just maybe want to pack some ice for a few days worth of food and drinks. If you're hooked up to shore power and you find yourself wanting to relax indoors and have a TV space heater day, you can do that in Van Diesel.
All you have to do is lower the TV by pressing this little latch here, and then hooking up your smart device. You can hook up to a smartphone, or you can hook this HDMI cord to your computer and enjoy unlimited television. If you want to enjoy the fresh air from the outdoors, but not deal with those pesky bugs, we've got a solution. Here is a screen door. It's got Velcro along the sides that you snap on right here like this, all the way over. And then magnets that connect the door like so for easy access in and out, leaving the bugs out.
Another cool feature about Van Diesel, its co-pilot seat has a swivel option. So you can rotate the seat 180 degrees backwards. In order to do that, you first want to push the seat upwards like so, and then push this latch underneath the seat, and voila.
Above me, you're gonna see our clean water tank. This is 40 gallons of fresh water you can use to refill your 5-gallon tank. You can use it as a shower. You can use it to wash your dog if you want. Let me show you how to access it. To access it, you'll safely want to walk up this ladder. I mean, 2 hands, step by step, nice and slow, so no one gets hurt. Once you get up here, you'll see a hose that you can unclip.
You can unclip the hose by pushing down on this clamp and releasing like so. Now you have access to your hose. To turn on the hose, you switch this lever forward, and it's going to require gravity to actually release the water. So you can drop the hose down to your 5-gallon tank or to your dirty person that you need to rinse off. When you're ready to refuel, you're going to find your diesel tank on the side of the driver's door. So you have to have the driver's door open, and then you can access it. We've got signs everywhere, diesel only, diesel only.
On the back end of Van Diesel, you're going to find 2 different things, a spare tire and a storage box. To access the storage box, you're going to rotate this to the right and lower, and you can store wood, a small generator, or anything else you want inside here. And then rotate it shut before you start driving anywhere. And to the left, you're going to find a spare tire. Now, the spare tire is for roadside assistance only. You do not want to change the tire yourself. That's why you pay for insurance and roadside assistance. So that's there, but not for you. All right, guys, that's the end of your tour. So upon arrival, please take a few minutes to walk around the interior and exterior of the van to make sure there's no damage we don't already know about. Once you've completed this, you can sign your departure form and we'll hand you your keys. If you've never driven a van this size, don't worry, we can walk you through. One of our Road Ventures team members will drive with you and we'll get you comfortable.